It's like...
It's okay. It's okay. That's how you get him.
He's flying.
It's okay. It's okay. Look. You just hold him like that, remember?
Thank you, Daddy. He was trying to say, so you want to do that?
Yeah, okay. You want to come try and get him again?
Yeah, let's go. I'm going to go on there. I'm going to go
Okay.
on there.
Hey, he's okay.
I'm going like this. Like what?
Oh, are you sneaking? You better hurry. He's running.
I know. I'm going to get you.
You got him!
He's shaking.
Yeah. He's trying to scare you away.
Yeah, get down.
But remember, he can't bite you. He can't do anything. Ah! Oh, his wings loose.
Look, let's try that on the table. Let's try it on.
He will die in a couple days. You're right. So we need to make him feel safe, okay?
Okay. He's crawling on me.
And we need to let him outside soon so he can go try and have babies.
Okay.
That's it. He only has these couple days.
But he's gonna die.
He is, but the reason he lives so short is so that he can find a good girl and so that they can have babies. Don't you want little cicada babies?
Yeah.
In 17 years?
Well,
Or
yeah, when you're 20.
12 or 13. These are probably small.
Can I get off and go over there and wait for them to get dried?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is so sticky.
Okay, you want to see if you can let him fly away?
Yeah. You touch his wing. You touch his wing. Touch his wing. That's fine. Just like this go. Fly away.
Okay, you need to set him on your hand.
Well, look at that. He turned to see.
And then toss him into the air. See if he'll fly, okay?
Ah, he's
You
flying.
ready? Toss him into the air. Say bye.
Bye.
There he goes!
You fly away?
Yeah.
Oh no, a bird got him.